In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs. That is, let A is equal to open and closed interval 0 to 1 union open and closed interval 1 to 3 and R with usual metric space X, then A interior is equal to solution theorem, that is the interior of A is the largest open subset of A. That is, if G is any open subset of A, then G subset A. Note that open set of A means a subset of A which is contained in T. The largest open subset of A is 0 to 1 union 1 to 3, so option D is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.